Man, what is up, YouTube, man? It's your boy, DJ from Backyard Mechanics, man. Look what we got out today, bro. I know you see her. I know you want to be here. Don't worry about the words. I'm gonna put the top back on, you know what I'm saying? And we got some work getting done to this mug right now, man. I'm finna change the gears in this bad boy. Finna change the gears in this. I got 373s in there. I'm about to throw them 410s in there, bit. You know what I'm saying? Throw the 410s in there. Ski! All right, but enough of that. Let's talk on this mug right here, boy. Let's talk on this mug. I wonder what it sounds like. Let's see what it sounds like. Hold up. Choppy, man. All right, YouTube, we got the new. As you can see, new gasket. Beautiful, man. Love it. That's what we need, man. Just looked at my differential fluid. I thought I locked my differential. I thought I locked my differential up, but I didn't. It's shot. It's all right there. Alright, back with you when I head up there and change. Alright, YouTube. That's the end of this video. I just want to wrap it up right quick. This is part 2. This is the part 1 of my rim build. So I didn't record it, but I recently took the whole rim out. I got the control arms. Y'all gotta help me out. I don't know if I want to go 410s or 430s, gear ratio wise. Right now I have 373s in there, so I get a good acceleration, but I get a lot of top end. But you know, a lot of people don't know nothing about gear sometimes, and about what's your top end, and about how fast you can get to the, you know, that number. Like, say you're trying to get to 100. It's about who can get there to 100 faster, who can get the best traction to get there. So I might 430. I was gonna go 456, but that's a little too aggressive. I don't think I'm gonna traction lay down, cause I got the tune and all that on there, and my transmission already. It's a racing transmission, it's built and all. I got the shift kit in and everything. So that's why I'm just gonna either go to 430s or 410s. The 410s is kind of similar to the 373s, but not too similar though. So, but in the meantime, I might go to 430. I might just do the 430 gears, so I can get a better acceleration, get up to them numbers quicker. But I'm gonna lose some top end. But I really don't really care about that. I just want to get there as fast as I can. Cause right now, 373 gears, the scats, they just be like, I be close to them and then they just pull away sometimes on the dig though. And I don't really catch no scats or nothing like on the hallway. So I'm gonna change my gears up, right? Change my gears up, bring silver back on the street, and we gonna get it in. But that's the end of this video though. This is a little short, quick video, a little update or whatever. Make sure you click that subscribe button, like, comment, share, all that. We need all that. We just hit 3,000 or some subscribers. So y'all keep doing that. I like that. I like to see that. What else I gotta say? But yeah, man, we up there, man. And then we gonna show more builds on the Charger that Rod got. And so, peace, man. She back here, mechanics. We out, man. Peace.